How to deposit funds into Libertex account. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the wallet section from the bottom bar. This is where you can manage all your account funds. Next, you will see options for deposit and withdraw. Tap on deposit to add funds to your Libertex account. After tapping deposit, select your preferred payment method from the available options. Make sure to choose the method that is convenient and secure for you, whether it's a bank card, e-wallet or other supported payment option. Enter the required details and the amount you wish to deposit, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. Once your deposit is successful, the funds will be available in your Libertex account and you can start trading immediately. Now you know how to deposit funds into Libertex account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.